Alright everyone, this is my first tutorial. We're gonna do the Grandmaster swipe tutorial, and yeah. Alright, so the recommended prerequisites for this trick are gonna be cartwheel, an aerial, and the master swipe. So yeah. Okay, so this trick, how I thought of it, it's like an aerial off of your dominant leg and landing on that same leg from setup, like cartwheel, which is how we're gonna learn it. And if you don't know how to do an aerial or a cartwheel, learn that first, and then come back. And we're gonna go through master swipe, and then how I turn the master swipe into the grandmaster swipe. The master swipe is basically a grandmaster swipe, where you put your hands down. How I did it is we're going to do the master swipe over and over, and after each master swipe you're going to make it higher and higher, so you'd go like this. Okay, so after you do a bunch of high master swipes, you can then remove your hands when you're comfortable. If you want to try to get even higher master swipes, you can do that. But next, you just remove your hands, and you gotta go for it. Alright, and once you have GMS, if you're confident with that already, then you can try Grandmaster Scoop, which is GMS, but you land on 2 feet, or you land on your other legs, like switch legs. Alright, this was my first ever tricking tutorial. I hope you guys learned something today, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. And if you have another trick that you want to learn that's lesser taught on YouTube, then also leave that in.